Today we will perform job in carpentry section. This is our carpentry section in Hindi cast kala. In this section we perform different types of joint of wooden section. These are the different types of joints we can see here: cross half lap joint, half lap doublet joint, and there are various type of joint, half lap T joint, and these are the different wood: mango, sisam, bamboo, devdar, sagwan. These are the different wood, and these are the different joints. Today we will perform this half lap dovetail joint. For this we use different types of tools to perform this job. We will see what are the tools used to perform this job. This is the sketch diagram of half lap dovetail joint. Here we can see the specimen dimension and design of half lap dovetail joint, and these are the tool required, and we will see these tools in real and perform the job. Now we will see the different tool used to perform this job. These are the tools. One by one we will see. First this is the wooden mallet, and this is used for striking. Next
marking gauge
is marking gauge for marking in the job. This is
scriber, mortise chisel, bevel chisel, hand saw.
This is a hand saw, and these are the parts.
The handle.
This is the handle.
Blade. Teeth.
These teeth are in zigzag manner. We can see here, not in straight line. These teeth are in zigzag manner so that the cutting performance done.
Tenon saw.
This is the tenon saw.
Rib. Blade. Handle. Rivet. Or teeth.
And main thing, this is the forward cutting. This saw cut in forward cutting, forward stroke, and this saw cut in backward motion. Next tool is
90-degree tri-square.
Tri-square. This is used for measuring the angle 90-degree and plane also.
Steel foot rule measurement के लिए.
This is the steel foot rule for measuring the dimension, and we can see here there are two sides in two different units. In one side it is in centimeter or millimeter, and another side is inches. Next is
iron jack plane.
Iron jack plane.
ये हैंडल. नेक्स्ट जो है सो ये एडजस्टिंग नट, कटर, कैलिपर, टॉप आयरन, ये नॉब, ये सोल, ये बॉडी, और ये फ्रॉग. हाफ राउंड राइस फाइल.
This is for file. We can see this is half round. We can see
half round smooth file.
This is smooth file. The teeth of this file is smooth and the teeth of this file is rough. You can see here easily difference between these. Next,
ये पेंसर हिल
this is pencil for removing the
हिल निकालने
nail from the wooden piece and from anywhere. This is
बॉल पेन है
ball pen hammer for striking. This is the job that we will perform. How this job perform we will see now. This is the half lap dovetail joint, okay, and this is the vice, carpentry vice, where we tied the job piece and perform the job. This is the our job piece. The dimension is clearly seen in the here in 40-20. Length is 100 mm, width is 20, and thickness is 40. Okay. Now let's start to perform this job. First of all, we tied the job piece in carpentry vice and start planing one side so that plane should be smooth with the help of iron planer. We also plane adjacent side and make sure that both adjacent sides should be 90 degree. And now we measure with the help of tri-square. If there is any defect, then we will again perform, and we see here. And this is the marking gauge. We mark this length should be how much? 40 mm, and now we mark like this through marking gauge. Both sides we can see the mark. This is the line which is obtained through marking gauge. And now extra wood we remove through this. The excess wood we remove through iron jack plane. And we will see, we will remove the wood up to marking gauge where we put the mark through marking gauge. Now we will take 20 mm other side and mark this adjacent side with the help of marking gauge. Again tight in carpentry vice and remove extra or excess amount of wood with the help of iron jack plane. Completed that. Up to mark we plane this job, and now we will mark with the help of tri-square, and we will check before that the 90 degree adjacent side. mark all side. We are marking prescriber and steel foot rule. Mm. The use of tri-square is very much. We can draw parallel line, straight line, and we can check. We have marked this piece. Now we will start cut. With the help of tenon saw. Here we can see this saw cuts in forward direction. Cut half of the portion. And remove this. This is the half part of our job, and this now we make section next half part with the help of chisel and mallet. Now we fit this. Two half. Now it's complete job. Now this is the half lap dovetail joint. Thank you.